Alright, hole 8, part 3, 217, but actually shot it and it's reading about 201. Gate's gonna hit a 3 wood. Beautiful shot.
Walk back down and get my 3-iron.
Well,
Alright,
yeah.
that's all we gotta say. That's all we gotta say about it. You give me some, I'll give you some. Okay, time to go to 3-iron. Alright, what do you got, iron? 4-iron. This is a tricky one, man. You got water running up around the left. All left has water. Short on the right has water. So you gotta be dead on. That is right on to the right. Brought another ball. Another ball. This course is seeing us live, ladies and gentlemen. It's not hard. It's just that I think we're at what, at 8,000 feet or whatever the hell we're playing at. So it's air deprived and it's hot. You know, that's like not the best combination to be playing golf in. But hey, we do it because you guys asked us to. And by I mean you guys, I've got a good deal. So that's why. Oh man. I'll let you finish your water. There you go. No, so you can hold the camera. You hold the camera. Until I poop you. Somebody needs to take the shit.
Good luck, everybody.
Basic. I feel like we're trying to trip.
I know, right?
Alright, so if you see a ball around here, that would be mine.
Well,
Hit that tree.
hit the tree.
Just, I don't know where.
I just say, oh, wait, do we have to go through it? No. Come from Pancha Mama. I just say, just drop where that little flat area is. Watch the tees. Yep, the tees are right here.
No, those are yellow, folks.
Yeah, but up behind it.
Oh. I'm gonna take a drop right here.
That's what I said. Like, you see that little flat surface right there?
Where'd you go?
It's to the right.
Alright, hitting 3. Alright, this is the last ball, and then I gotta go back in my bag. Last pitch.
Yep.
Alright, in play. Hitting 3.
Water bounds. Oh! Nice shot, bud.
Thank you. Well, at least I got the little shot sound. They're not spinning. They're not hitting the damn fly, but at least I'm going at them.
Yeah.
So you should be over here.
Yeah, it was
You
pushing
got
right.
distance.
I don't know if it's my swing or if it's just the clubs are just not getting on time. Yeah, my luck, it probably went in the water.
Yeah, let's go check it out. Would you stop, fucker? It doesn't want to stop.
Here.
So we have a little stream right here. Wilson thinks he might got in here. Thinking he might have himself, but oh, there is a water down there.
That's probably it.
Alright, I don't know, man. You might want to try from this angle, because you can step on the rock. That one you'll fall in.
Yeah, that'd be a bad idea, bud. want me to do it? That's right, he's Scuba Steve today, guys. Oh, that's why I said I'll get it. I thought you were gonna bend down and get it. Kirkland? Hey, that's my ball that I hit from way out yonder. Yeah, oh well. Yep, take it.
Alright, so after a little adventure there, because you know, you gotta have a little fun every now and then. Otherwise, you know, it ain't golf. What happened?
I thought maybe if I looked over here.
Isn't that your ball?
Huh?
Isn't that your ball?
No,
Oh.
I lost it.
Well, the course taking the course give it. And you just gotta give it. Alright, so there's mine right there. Colton's back here. Beautiful waterfall. I mean, wow. I mean, literally the whole surrounded by water. Front, left, back. Killed it. Bring your putter. Alright. So we're coming from somewhere back there, who knows where. It's a tiny little area to try to land it on. With the front pin like here. Look at that, water all the way around. You can't beat this. I mean, Bakerson needs to get with the program here. I mean, it literally just feels like it's carving around. Look at that, water all the way around. I mean, just a beautiful, beautiful hole. It's challenging, but yet it's rewarding. I mean, even when you hit a good shot like we thought Colton did, he still was able to go out of bounds for some odd reason. All right, Colt, you ready or tend it or pull it? Okay, so Colton for 5? 4? For 4, going for 4. Going for bogey. Alright.
You've already hit my Red Sox marker.
Didn't help.
I guess I could say that we both got birdie on throughout 9. That's true. Nice putt. Nice.
Oh!
Sorry, not to be my friend.
That was for bogey too.
Jeez.
We're tied, right?
Yeah, we're tied.
So this for double and this for double?
Double.
Double bogey. Double bogey. Yay!